So ayan, napakakintab, almost brand new condition pa. Makakapalang tires, ayan, napakakinis ng paint. Orig pa yung mga taillight niya sa likod, kompleto ng emblems. May rear sensor, may rear camera. Ayun pala, rear camera. Dito naman sa loob, napaka-fresh pa ng interior. Automatic transmission, may plus minus na rin yan. Upgraded na infotainment system, touchscreen na rin with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. 16,000 kilometers on the clock. May steering wheel controls na rin yan. Napakaganda ng seats. Walang mga punit. Maganda yung sidings. All power windows. Working lahat. At yan. Napakalinis ng matting. Sa second row, maluwag yan. Napakaganda ng fabric ng seats. At ayan. Kita nyo dito, napakalinis. Isang signs na hindi siya flooded. Ganon. Bagong-bago pa. Check nyo to guys. Wala pang kalawang, ganon. At dito, malinis din. Ayan, at sa engine naman, kompleto pa ng mga kasa markings. Napakasariwa ng engine. All original, dual VVTi technology, 4-cylinder. Napakatipid sa gasolina. Naturally aspirated, basic to maintain. Para kang bumili ng brand new. At lahat ng ilaw niya, original pa lahat. Ayan, one ang ending. So kung gusto nyo to, 2025 Toyota Vios XLE Automatic. Almost brand new condition. Almost. For only 695,000 pesos lang. Open for cash, trade-in and financing. Okay? Peace out.